Question number 3. Kevin's work for deriving the equation of a circle is shown below. X squared plus 4x equals negative parentheses y squared minus 20, close parentheses. Then it shows the steps, and the question is asking, in which step did he make an error in his work? Now, the only reason this question is on the geometry exam is because they're talking about the equation of a circle, but otherwise, this is just an algebra question. A way to do these step questions is to just start with what they give you, follow each step as he goes, and ask yourself, is what the person, in this case Kevin, is what they did in each step, does that make sense? Does that follow all of the rules of algebra? The fact that this has to do with an equation of a circle, you don't even need to know that. It's just a way to confuse you potentially. Whenever you see some step questions, start with what they give you and follow each step they do, see where they make the mistake. So I'm going to just write out the equation again. X squared plus 4x equals negative y squared minus 20. So that's what Kevin started with. In step 1, it looks like he is distributing this negative sign over here. Oh, I can't highlight it. He's distributing this negative sign over here to the parentheses there. So I'm going to distribute this negative sign to the y squared and the negative 20. I'll keep in blue what I have is staying the same. So x squared plus 4x equals, and I'll change, whatever changed, I'll put in red. So the negative switches to negative y squared. The negative to the negative 20 should become positive 20. So I've got x squared plus, and you can follow with my cursor too, x squared plus 4x equals negative y squared plus 20. It looks like step 1 is good. So it's not where he made his error. Let's take a look at step 2. In step 2, he kept this part the same, so I'll bring this down in blue. X squared plus 4x. Then he added an extra 4 on this side. This all stays the same, equals negative y squared plus 20. This all just came down. I'm switching it to blue now. And then this time he did minus 4. Well, that looks like there's an error going on there, because if I do something to one side of the equal sign, that's fine, but I need to do the exact same thing to the opposite side. Here, Kevin added 4 to the left side and subtracted 4 to the right side. That's incorrect. So therefore, I can say that number 2 is the answer to this multiple choice question.